At less than $600, is the Jansno X50 a good electric bike? Hey everyone, Monkey Wrench Mike here. This might just be the least expensive bike I have ever tested. It offers a 750 watt motor, a top speed of 30 miles an hour, which is easily removed so you can go even faster. And like we always do, we're going to take it out of the box, put it together, take it for a spin, then we're going to grade it on fit, form, and function. Here she is all put together, and yes, I think it's a good looking bike. I really do. I have not fully attached the seat because I have a surprise for you, all right? But let's talk about what this looks like. It was so easy to put together, and as you can see, we have a front suspension and we have a back suspension. This is a full suspension bike. We also have a 750 watt motor capable of 30 miles per hour or more. That's the key right there. We have a 48 volt battery right here, 265 pound max load on the handlebars. We have the Shimano gear system right here. We have the menu system right here. We have headlights, and take a look at this. We have turn signals, okay? Did you notice me putting those on? This is a turn signal. This is a turn. I've never had an electric bike with a front turn signal, as far as I know. As far as I can remember, this is a first, okay? So this is huge. We have cool fenders, front and rear, and just a sporty look. It really is. It's a good looking bike with a nice looking saddle right here. Now, I did not attach this because I'm going to show you something. Okay, this attaches with just 4 10mm bolts. Okay, if you take that off, you have access to this right here. You know what this is? This is your speed limiter. So if you want to remove the top speed and go faster than 30, this is all you have to do. Okay, then you just put it back under here, attach your seat, and you can go as fast as you want. I think I am going to take that off and just ride this to my heart's content. It's a good looking bike. It really is. So with all that being said, we're going to charge the battery. We're going to come back. I'll show you the LCD screen, the turn signals, the lights, and everything else, and then we're going to take her for a spin. But this is cool. Oh, I forgot. Here's what you get in your box, okay? So you get some freebies too. This is a phone holder. You get your Swiss Army knife of toolkits right here. A couple of very thin wrenches. This is your battery charger. You get a tire inflator, owner's manual. You get your keys here, and you get a bike lock. Look at that. That is nice. So you want to keep this safe and sound. That's what you want to use when you park your bike at night. Oh, this is cool. And I love the color of the saddle. I think this just makes everything look gorgeous. It's a good looking bike. Let's go see what a sub $600 electric bike actually feels like. I will tell you, you have to have the key on right here. Okay, so if this is off, nothing is going to work. So you have to have a key, and it has to stay in the vehicle right here before it will work. Okay, once again, on this side, we have 5 pedal assists. We're going to start off in 3. We have a fully charged battery. We have the odometer right here, and we have, should I show you now while we're kind of in the dark? I love this feature. Okay, look right here. And look what happens. Can you see? See what's happening? Turn signals. Turn signals on the front. There we go. Do we have them on the back too? I don't know. We do. Look at that. Oh, that's brilliant. I love this. Bonus points for the turn signal and the headlight and a loud horn. Woo! Okay. Do a little pedaling. Check out this show. Oh! Well, she definitely wants to go. Now remember, top speed is 30, but we disconnected the black and the white wire under the saddle. So who knows what our top speed is going to be. Oh! This could be fun to find out. I like the saddle. I'll tell you that much. I do. It's comfortable. I like it. It's long enough where if you wanted to put somebody on the back for just a quick ride, you could do that. If you want to pick up a hitchhiker or something, you could do that. But this, it's nice. And you have a dual suspension. Thank you, thank you, thank you, X50 for that. Oh my. So far, I am really impressed with this bike. After the first less than a tenth of a mile, that's okay. This is the rough part of the road. This is where we test our suspension. And with the big, fat tires, the front fork and the rear suspension, it's a comfortable ride. Go over the speed bump. Oh yeah, this is nice. I'm flying down this hill. This is 17, this says 18 miles an hour. Okay, I wish the brakes were a little more firm. I mean, I wish they had a little more stopping power. That's full brake right there. Okay, well, that's all right. Now we have the twist throttle on the right side. Look at that giant dog down there. Whoa. Okay, so let's go up Torque Hill. We are in top gear. This is throttle only. Every once in a while I hear some buzzing from around the motor. So we're going 20, 19, 17.4, 17.3, 15.5, 15.3, don't go to 12, you get a passing grade, 14.4. This is a 48 volt battery. All of the bikes have a 48 volt battery, most of them do. I don't know the amp hours. I didn't see anything on the listing. If I can find it, I'll put it on the screen right there. But we're going up here at 14 miles an hour, 14.4. Now we'll pick up speed a little bit. I did have to get into the LCD screen right here to change. Hear the buzzing? Yeah. So we're going to count that as a 14 mile per hour Torque Hill test result. This is 23, 24, 25, 26. Okay. Other than the buzzing, this is nice. So we've gone just over a mile right here. I should be using my turn signals. There you go. Thank you very much. The feature I like the most about this right now is the suspension. It's a good riding position too. I mean, the saddle is nice. I do not like the buzzing. It's not all the time, but here, can you hear? There's that buzzing. Yeah, okay, no biggie. We'll come up here, turn signal on, turning. See, I got turn signals just like you, dude. Nice. All right, here we go. Top speed test. 25, 27, 28, 29. Hurry up, car. Don't leave me out here. 32. 33. 34. And I'm one-handing it at 34 miles an hour. Look at that. Okay. The motor is a little loud. But this is nice. There is some tire noise too, but these are not, they're not street tires, they're all-terrain tires. So you can expect a little bit of buzz from them. I kind of like this bike. If you're looking for something to get into electric bikes, does this show into? Yeah, this is comfortable. You know, and I didn't know what I would think about these handlebars because they almost look like a, I don't know, it's kind of an aggressive looking, you know, see through the frame kind of a bike. And then you have, I would almost call them little kitty handlebars, but they fit. It's a good, comfortable riding position. And these move. Okay, so if you have your turn signals, they're on these rubber stems, and so they'll kind of flop around, which is good. It's okay with me. And you got that giant headlight up there, which is nice. Yeah, I wish the brakes were a little stronger. Yeah, okay. Let's do some more pedaling. It's really comfortable to pedal on this thing. It really is. This bike likes to get up and go. Hear the buzzing? See, even I'm going up a really steep hill. I'm in 7th gear, and the bike is helping me just the right amount. I mean, I'm getting a little bit of exercise. I'm moving those hip joints, the knee joints, the ankle joints. You know, you got to keep telling yourself, this bike is less than $600. And I've tested bikes that are 3 times that, 4 times that. Average price for a bike, I would say these days, is $1,200 to $1,500. You're below half of that with this one. And you're getting a lot of the same features and some other features that bikes just don't have. If you're looking for something for a birthday gift, you know, you got a teenage kid, 20-something-year-old who wants something to ride to school or college and maybe take out on the trails every once in a while. This would be a great idea. It's not going to put you in the poorhouse buying it for them. This is not an expensive bike. But it doesn't feel like a super cheap bike either. It's a budget bike with some cool features. That's what I think it is. Other than the hum, I think that I like it. I really do. I think I've just made up my mind. I think this is a cool looking bike. Let's go ahead and grade her on fit, form, and function. The Jansno X50, the way that it was packaged and the way it was put together. Well, I'm going to give it a B. We have some of the scuffing and it was kind of damaged in the shipping right here and right down in through here by the derailleur. Other than that, no problems at all. So we're going to give it a B for the way that it was packaged and the ease at which it was put together. As far as form, the way the bike looks, I love it. I really do. I mean, it's a standard, like a 1-inch tube frame right in through here. Everything is kind of the same size almost. I like how this is exposed, though. I like how you can see the battery. It kind of looks like a gas tank. And the fact that it has a rear suspension and a front suspension, and these right here, this just cracks me up. These little turn signals are the best invention ever. Look at that. They're sequential here, they're sequential back here, and I think it is just fantastic. You got the light right there, which is nice. I just love it. And the horn is super duper loud. So for form, yeah, we're going to give her an A. Function, what it was like to ride, well, if the brakes were a little firmer and if the motor was a little quieter, I'd give her an A+, because this is a great, great, great little bike. But they were kind of noisy, the brakes were kind of weak, but then I have to calculate in the price. Right now, this is $570. That's all, okay? A top speed, which you can remove and go as fast as you want. We had this up to, what, 34 miles an hour? Is fantastic. It's much faster than other bikes. I have to kind of factor that in. So for function, we're going to give it an A. Overall, we're going to give this a B because I think it's going to be a great entry-level bike for very little money. And a B is a good score for electric bikes. It really, really is. So if you want to get more information on the X50, we're going to have much more for you in the description box below this right here. Like I said, it is literally $570 on Amazon today. The price may change. If you want something fun, if you want to give it as a Christmas gift, a birthday gift, they would love it. Absolutely, okay? So check the description box below. We'll have a link to the listing on Amazon, and I hope you get one. It's a good, fun bike. All right, everybody. Thanks for watching. We're back with another electric bike review very, very soon. Goodbye.